Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angel Velez. I am the real estate broker with Home for Life Realty, and I'm coming to you today to let you know about our open house here on 3402 P Street here in Richmond, Virginia, 23233. We're having an open house on Saturday. Now, this property's been on the market for a little bit, and we've reduced the price to $548,900. So if you're interested in coming out here and checking out the property, it's been on the market for a little bit. New construction. Here in the historic district of Richmond, beautiful area, Churchill area, a very attractive area for folks that want to be in the heart of downtown, close to highways, close to restaurants, great shopping areas, walking distance to parks. So this is an absolutely gorgeous property built from scratch with luxury items. We're talking about a gourmet kitchen, beautiful granite countertops, and brand new flooring. Everything that is in this house is brand new. So we want you to enjoy a brand new house. Why buy existing properties that you not even know what you're getting into? So we're asking you to bring out your clients if you're an agent. If you want to let your clients come out here, of course, we'll take good care of you. We'll give you the full credit. You just let them know that give us the information for the agent. Come on out on Saturday. We will be here 6 April from 12 to 3 p.m. to show you this beautiful property. 3 floors, 4 bedrooms, and 3 full baths. So come on out. Don't hesitate. Just to bring your folks out here, or come on out yourself and enjoy the sights and sounds of this gorgeous, gorgeous house. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on Saturday. Rain or shine, we will be here. Thank you so much.